this tutorial I want to go and show you how you can go and fix this, that when you go and import a footage, you just get the video and not the audio. So let's go. If you have the problem like me, I created like a sequence here and now I want to go and drag in my footage here. What happens is just the video. So where's the audio gone? So when I click on the original and you will go and hear there is sound. How you can fix this, you could go and drag this into a new, well, right click and click new sequence from this clip. So now you have this audio here when you import with the footage, but it's so much simple. It's crazy. Let's say you have your original sequence here, so you just want to go and select it to the last clip. It's very easy. So before it was like dragging the clip here, it's just the video. Click the V1. It says sort patching for inserts and overrides. Just uncheck this so it's not blue anymore and drag your clip into the timeline, and now you have the video and the audio. It's this simple little thing. You can see there's a video with audio imported. I hope I could help you with that, and comment down below, give it a like. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye bye.